Hi everybody, we are going to learn how to send a message to a teacher or counselor or friend or principal. So we're going to click here, and here are the directions. It has been a long time since you have seen everyone from school. Take this opportunity and record a message for a teacher, counselor, friend, or principal. You can say hi, or tell them how you miss them, or talk about a memory you have with them. Ha pasado mucho tiempo desde que has visto a todos desde la escuela. Aproveche esta oportunidad y grabe un mensaje para un maestro o maestra, consejero, como Miss Lowry or Miss Rosario or Miss Feliz, or amigo, amiga o director o directora. Puedes decir hola o decirles cómo los extrañas, o hablar sobre un recuerdo que tienes con ellos. Cuando haya terminado, haga clic en enviar para que pueda ver su trabajo. So I'm going to click here. Hay instrucciones aquí, lo mismo. Y si quiere grabar, you're going to click here. Si no quiere grabar y quiere escribir algo, write your answer here. Escribe su mensaje aquí. Okay? And if you need ideas of things you can say in English, here are some ideas to help you. If you're going to record, si quiere grabar, you need to type in your username for your Chromebook. Okay, your name for your Chromebook. Mine is Cabrera AL, but you do your own name. Necesita su propio contraseña de su Chromebook. Aquí. Okay? No escribes Cabrera AL. That's mine. All right, you do your own. So, let's go. Tenemos lo mismo instrucciones aquí. Y aquí, in the green plus sign, señal de más verde, I click here. And try that again. I click here. And I click yes, allow. And then it should show me. And I want to send a message to, let's see, to my friend Miss Campo. Hi, Miss Campo. It's me, Miss Cabrera. I just wanted to say hi. I miss you and I haven't seen you in a long time. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. Then I can put stickers here if I want, so you can decorate it. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. You can decorate your video. What's this? Ooh, you can change the color of your video. Very nice. Ooh, that's cool. That's kind of neat. I think I like this one. Okay, I'll keep that one. I think I can draw something. Oh, I can draw with this. This is so nice. So fun. Okay, when I'm all done, and there's more, I can write. When I'm all done, I'm going to click next. And if I want to see the video's all right here. Hi, Miss Campo. It's me, Miss Cabrera. I just wanted to say hi. I miss you and I haven't seen you in a long time. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye. And then I click next. And then I'll take a selfie to submit my video. When I'm all done, I need to submit it. All right, enviar. Necesita tomar una foto para enviar. So here. And then I'll go there. And there it is. And you don't need to write anything. You don't need to change your name or anything. You just click submit. And then you're all done with that. So that is the send a message, enviar un mensaje a maestro, maestra, consejero, amigo, director, directora assignment. I hope you like it. Bye.